Today I'm going to be reviewing HICC Pet's dog dental care spray. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This has the hypochlorous acid and just deionized water, so nothing really to it. I've got my little friend Roomba here today to help me, and we're going to try to see how it works. It's really easy. You get this little bottle, you can just shake it up a little bit. You're going to take off this little cap and you're going to spray it 2-3 times around their gums and on their teeth. Don't have your dog eat for an hour afterwards. You do this every day and you are going to have better teeth, better health, and no more stinky breath. Now, Roomba does not love stuff like this, so let's see how well she does. But basically, you can go right onto the teeth here. Hold on, we're going to try. Hey. It's okay. It's not going to hurt you. All right, well, that wasn't easy with her, but imagine trying to brush her teeth. Much easier, reduces plaque, infections, gum redness, everything that you want from brushing, but now in a nice little spray. The best part about this is it's an Amazon choice. It gets 4.3 stars, which I like. I like 4.4, but this is close enough, and I can tell by the reviews it does really well. Over 600 reviews, and last month, 3,000 of these were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.